how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So first of all, open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Scroll down and here you'll find create public profile option. So tap on it, tap on continue, get started and tap on create. And a public profile will be created here. Now to edit your public profile, tap on your public profile, tap on edit profile, and now you can add a profile picture to your public profile by tapping on this avatar icon and select a photo from your gallery. Tap on save changes. To add a bio to your public profile, simply you can start typing from here. You can add a location here and you can enable show how many people follow me from here, and you can see your public profile preview from here. So this is how we can make a public profile on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.